How to withdraw Solana from BullX NEO to Phantom Wallet in 2025. Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how to withdraw Solana from BullX NEO to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. Let's get started. Log into BullX NEO. Open the BullX NEO platform and log into your account. Navigate to the withdrawal section. On your BullX NEO dashboard, locate and click on Withdraw Funds. Select Solana SOIS. From the list of available assets, select Solana SOL for withdrawal. Enter your Phantom Wallet address. Open your Phantom Wallet and click the Receive button to get your Solana wallet address. Copy your Phantom Wallet address. Paste the wallet address in BullX NEO. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field on BullX NEO. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of Solana you wish to withdraw. Confirm and submit the withdrawal. Double-check the details of the transaction. Click Confirm Withdrawal and complete any necessary 2FA verification if enabled. Wait for the transaction to process. The transfer will usually take a few minutes, depending on network conditions. You'll receive a confirmation once the withdrawal is completed. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Solana SOL from BullX NEO to your Phantom Wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.